Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a blog here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a blog on BigCommerce can be a powerful tool for your business, helping you engage with customers, improve SEO, and build a brand community. Now, once you are logged into your account, creating a blog here is very easy. You can use the built-in blog feature that can be found on the left side panel of your dashboard. All right, so just go to the storefront, click the arrow, and you would have the option to click on the blog. All right, now just wait for it to load. And as you can see, I haven't published any blog yet, so this is going to be your first blog post, if you haven't already. Right? You have the plus button here, the three dots, wherein you can, of course, tweak some settings if you wanted. All right? So for now, we're going to be hovering again to the blog. And we're going to add one. Click on the plus button. Now you can put in the title for that, say put in the body. Now, if you wanted to create a blog from scratch, it's a good thing. But if you're like having a writer's block, you might want to use some of the AI tools for you to work with. For example, I'm going to be using this ChatGPT. Of course, you can refine this as you go along the way. But for now, you might want to use this to just create a draft. And type enter. Let's see what we got here. Let's just try it, okay? Nothing's. If you have any other tools that can help you, you might want to do that as well. Right? So it'll take some little while. But you have to be specific by putting in some SEO-friendly keywords alongside with your blog. You have to remember that because a blog is a great platform to educate your audience. Copy this, right? About your products and related topic. By sharing helpful information, tutorials, and insights, you build trust and strengthen your customer relationships. Course, just go here and then quickly switch to the BigCommerce and paste the description. All right, so this is just an example. All right, so I'm not gonna use this basically because it might create some problems for the plagiarism, but I'm just showing you some ways for you to create one. Of course, you can change the font style and the colors as well. For example, I'm gonna be using maybe something like a red. And I'm going to add in highlight for that. Back color is going to be something like yellow, so it pops out. Right? And of course, you can add an image here. Let's put an image. Click the and click on choose or upload. Now wait for it to be uploaded here. Take a little while. Right? So if you feel that this is going to be the photo for the blog, you can use that. You see, you can also add a lot of information here. You can insert video. If you click that, click the video embed code. Now, what I'm going to do is hover to our Jeep Laughs YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications in our latest content. We are here to help you solve your problems quickly. After copying the YouTube URL, I'm going to quickly switch over again to the BigCommerce. And from there, type it in to see what we got. Right, so that's that. You see, if you need an inspiration about what's right about, if you click on this one, what will happen is it would be forwarded here on this new page. For example, I told you about if you're having a writer's block. All right, so these are some of the information that can help you to write more creatively, all right, and continuously. After that, switch over again around here. You can put in as many links as you can. For example, this, insert a link if you want. URL. Text is going to be like Jeep Laughs. You can use the link for URL, email, and anchor. Click on insert. This one right here. Okay, so After making sure that the text is really okay. Now at the bottom, you see there's going to be an author. On author, you might want to pull in, say for example, this is going to be deep left. And tags are optional. All right, so for example, that, and maybe put in some tags. All right, press space, see that. And of course, you can put in a summary thumbnail image. And we can do that as well. Click on choose file. Now that the file has been chosen, now you see this is going to be an SEO, which is optional. You can put in the meta description and you can put in the post URL. Now, if you don't know what meta description is, just go to this one again on ChatGPT and type in create You might want to copy this one. I'm just giving you some methods, all right? At the end of the day, it's still up to your strategy and approach on how you can do it. Of course, you can copy this one right here and switch over again to the BigCommerce where you can put in the meta description. This is very important, all right? The post URL is going to be this. Once you are happy with it, you might want to click on the option of publish. Wait for it to load, right? So you have successfully created your first blog here in BigCommerce. Now, from here, the next thing that you need to do is go to again to the blog that you have recently created. There's going to be 3 dots here for the action. Click on it, and you might want to click on the view for the live. All right, so put in your preview code if you have that. Now, if you encounter an error like this one, don't have to worry because you just have to get the preview code and check some settings here in your BigCommerce. Number one is you want to make sure that the blog visibility is slide to turn on right here. Right? And then go to the web pages here. You would notice that the visibility is crossed, all right? I want you to click on the action and click on manage blog post, and you would be directed here in this section wherein you have to just simply click the blog visibility. This is one of the easiest thing. Now, if you can still find, for example, if you click on view blog and you can still find an error like this, the next thing that you need to do is contact the BigCommerce support team. Right, and from there, just tell them you're having problems viewing your published blog here in your account, and one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.